Hi guys, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I wanted to jump on and tell you guys why Thanksgiving is my favorite. First off, I hope you guys are finding yourself being thankful today. And I am definitely thankful for many of my blessings, health, family, friends, all of you guys, I'm very thankful for. So, but a huge part of me loving Thanksgiving and having that be my favorite holiday out of everything is when I was little, always growing up, my family and I would go, we'd get all these permits and we'd go up into the mountains just before Thanksgiving and we would cut down, hundreds of trees. And next to my house was a gravel area, and my dad and brothers would set up places for the trees to lean on, Anyway, and the whole town of Nephi would actually come over on Thanksgiving Day and come pick out their trees. So they would come, hi guys, thanks for jumping on. Anyway, so they would come in the morning and start picking their trees out. So we would go out, and I remember my friends and I, we would go out, hold up the trees, turn them around so they could see which one they wanted. And anyway, it was such a blast. And then we'd take 1 to 2 hours off to go in and eat as a family. And then we would come back out. Thanks, Cindy. Happy Thanksgiving to you. Anyway, and so that is a huge memory for me. The other thing that I love is the time that it gave. I'm going to try not to get emotional, sorry. But it gave me with my parents. My dad is gone now, and it's so special to have those memories with him. And when we decided, that we was going to stop selling them, we had a lot of people, teasing us like, why are you, not selling trees anymore? What are we going to do for our Thanksgiving tradition? That was their tradition to come over to my house and pick out their tree. And so I just love traditions. And so, oh, hi, sweetie. Come on in.
Hi.
Anyway, thanks, Julie. You too. I'm super thankful for you, girl. Anyway, but so sorry to get emotional, but it's really, it brings a lot of happiness and joy to me, remembering those memories with my dad. And just being with my family. And so I am feeling for anyone out there that doesn't have family. And I hope you have a good day and know that you're loved. And everybody that does have family, I hope you enjoy them. And I'm sorry I'm getting emotional, but I just miss my dad. And I'm grateful for traditions. So you guys keep up your traditions. Family is the most important thing. So you remember Julie coming to my house? That's so cute. See, she remembers coming to my house to get a tree. And I always have people telling me all the time, about that. I just love hearing the stories. And so it's something that I truly miss, but I'm really grateful for. So I wanted to share that little story with you guys because it really means the most to me. And I love that, obviously having those memories with my dad like that and with my family. And we talk about it every year, but I don't know, just spending the time with family, I just feel like that's the most important part. Plus all the food and then definitely the shopping, right? After, which is kind of sad. I don't love it as much since they started doing the sales on on Thanksgiving Day. I wish they would have kept it on Friday morning early, but it is what it is. So we still enjoy it. But you guys are the best. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I am going to do another giveaway tonight. Sorry, got emotional. That's really annoying, but it really is close to my heart, and I love this day. So I will get on tonight to do the other giveaway. And then, of course, tomorrow is my big giveaway with the blow stuff. So you're welcome, Margie. Thanks for jumping on, dear. But anyway, I will get on later tonight. If you guys are wanting in the drawings or anything, just drop a comment below and I can get you the link to be put in for the drawings. So you guys, thank you so very much for supporting me. There's Debbie. Oh, Debbie, you're so sweet to me too. Thank you. Anyway, I just love you all. Thanks again. And I just wanted to tell you all happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your day. Enjoy everything that we have and be thankful for it. And sorry. Anyway, I will talk to you guys tonight at my giveaway. Have a good day. See ya.